Hi, I'm Alex Call, the CEO of ReadyPass. And to explain what we do, I used to tell this story about a horrible experience I once had waiting for a bus and all these problems that, as passengers, we all know. But that was until this conversation I had with the CEO of a nearby transit agency. We asked him, how do you decide on changes to your routes? And the answer really shocked us. He said, well, a guy who's been doing it for a couple years kind of has a hunch about what the change should be. He writes it on the wall. We debate it until we agree. And we said, what? This makes no sense. These decisions that affect thousands of people every day are made without any kind of data. Just one guy's hunch. It's crazy. And he said, yeah, I know. So yes, we know that there are all kinds of problems that passengers and bus drivers deal with every day in transit. But these are symptoms of problems at the agency. Symptoms of things like low ridership, driver accountability, rider satisfaction, and ticket fraud. Our solution is ReadyPass. We're the smart bus upgrade that every public transit agency deserves. So we add a passenger app for bus tracking, routing, and managing e-tickets, on-bus hardware that turns the whole bus into basically a giant moving sensor, and then a suite of tools for public transit administrators to see, understand, and improve their system. We offer tracking for $120 per bus per month and are developing e-tickets for 7% commission. We can also white label our app and provide data interpretation services to agencies without IT. So maybe you're thinking, okay, great, this sounds good, but isn't there something like this in that city you love, like here in Halifax? And yes, there is, but it's got problems and it's completely inaccessible to so many transit agencies, leaving a gaping hole in the market we can fill. So in the market right now are some big competitors going after the big cities. Then you have some entrenched old technology that is kicking around for some reason, even though it doesn't really work anymore. You have some in-house attempts that are hugely expensive, and most commonly, most agencies just doing nothing. So here's what we do better. We've purpose-designed our hardware for ease of use, installation, and maintenance. We offer ongoing data analysis and support so that transit agencies can actually do something with the data we collect. And we use near-field chip tickets that are far more secure and flexible. Public transit is a $38 billion market in North America, over 90,000 buses. But we're more interested in the 250 smaller agencies with populations between 50 and 150,000 people that are completely underserved right now. But to us, they're a $29 million market. So we've had prototypes running in Fredericton since last summer and are now installing on the full fleet. We've got passenger counters going in Cape Breton to help them with their Try the Bus program this summer, and are working with St. John to learn about the problems that they have. We're a team of 3 with a wonderful group of advisors and mentors, and I really just can't say enough about how talented both Taylor and Amy are as developers. We're preparing to raise $400,000 to help our growth, and more importantly, to get us into the US market as quickly as we can. So, ReadyPass is the bus tracking, routing, electronic tickets, and data analysis. We're rolling out now to our first customers and heavily investigating hardware patents. We're the smart bus upgrade that every public transit agency deserves. Thank you.